Beamable. Beamable Inc. is a technology company based in Boston, Massachusetts. The company's product allows game developers who use Unity 3D to implement games as a service using a drag-and-drop interface. Beamable has cloud-based software as a service SaaS that enables in-game storefronts, merchandising, content management, and social interactions for players, along with technology to integrate with Unity. Background: the company was originally founded in 2010 as a social network game developer. The company created Game of Thrones Ascent, a social and mobile game based on Game of Thrones set during the A Song of Ice and Fire novels. Game of Thrones Ascent was released on Facebook and web platforms in 2013, followed by iOS and Android devices in 2014. In 2014, the company announced a partnership with CBS to create Star Trek Timelines, a strategy role-playing game featuring characters from Star Trek. In 2020, the company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, a process that allows a company to submit a plan to restructure its obligations to creditors with the objective of restoring itself. Court filings reported $3.04 million in liabilities and $637,987 in property assets. Beamable reported in February 2021 that its plan of reorganization had been confirmed by the Worcester Court. In February 2021, Beamable was funded with $5 million for a new Unity-based platform.